Hi, my name is Liam Ryan. I'm a Senior Consultant at Orb Data, specialising in Tivoli Application Dependency Discovery Manager. This short video is part of a series of 4 which looks at how you can use custom TADDM database views to simplify TADDM reporting. As I've said, this video is split into 4 separate sections. You're currently watching part 1 in the series. Part 1 will outline why you may wish to use a custom TADDM database view rather than the standard building block or detail panel views provided out of the box with TADDM. The remaining 3 parts in the series use an example report requirement to demonstrate how a custom TADDM view can be used to simplify the final report query. Part 2 outlines how you would go about identifying the CDM class and attribute information required in the example report. Part 3 shows you how to identify the CDM class join criteria you'll need to use to create the custom view. It will also show you how to translate the join and attribute information you have gathered from the CDM into an XML file, which can then be used to generate the custom view. Part 4 shows you how you can create the custom view using the out-of-the-box tools provided with TADDM, and how you can then extract the data in the view in a simple BERT report. So let's look at the circumstances under which you'd consider using a custom TADDM database view to generate a TADDM report. Anyone who has worked with TADDM will know extracting CI data from the TADDM database can sometimes be a bit of a challenge. CIs are organised in the TADDM database according to their common data model classification type. You get 872 CDM classification types out of the box. Each classification type contains its own unique set of attributes. You can also define your own custom attributes within TADDM itself. All this discovery flexibility translates into a highly normalized database schema. CI attribute data is located across 1500 different database tables. Extracting data from such a normalized database structure requires a good understanding of where the attributes you require are held in the TADDM database. You're also going to need good SQL query skills in order to pull out the attributes you need in a single query statement. Each CI class uses a unique set of attributes to link it to other classes. For example, this diagram shows the computer system class and some of the links that exist between this class and other CDM classes. This diagram provides a high-level overview of how specific attributes are used to link different classes together. Here we can see that 2 attributes in the computer system class, OS installed and OS running, are used to link the computer system class to the operating system class. These link relationships need to be understood when you're putting together TADDM report queries which need to extract data across multiple CDM classes. With such a highly normalized database structure in place, it's hardly surprising that retrieving data in custom reports can be a daunting challenge for administrators who don't have a detailed knowledge of the common data model or particularly advanced SQL query skills. In our example, we see that a whole range of attributes have been requested in a TADDM report, which need to be specifically targeted at all Microsoft SQL servers held within the TADDM database. From a TADDM database schema perspective, in order to extract these attributes for our Microsoft SQL Server estate, we will need to create an SQL query that joins together 8 separate building block views within the TADDM database, making the resulting SQL query statement fairly complex to say the least. There will always be occasions like our example where the information you wish to extract from the TADDM database is spread across multiple building block or detail panel views. On these occasions you're left with 2 choices. The first choice is to use your view documentation to work out which views you want to query and which attributes you will need to use to join these views at an SQL level. You'll then need to formulate your SQL statement to extract the required data. Or your second option is to create a custom view. Custom views allow you to extract all the attributes you need in a single simple SQL query, avoiding the need to create complex SQL when generating TADDM reports. IBM have provided 2 scripts in $collation_home/bin which allow TADDM administrators to create bespoke views within the TADDM database. Userviews.sh for Linux and Unix TADDM environments, and userviews.bat for Windows TADDM environments can be used to create custom views. Parts 2, 3 and 4 of this demonstration will show you how to use these tools to create your custom views.